Okay, now Riley, what were you saying? Huh? What do you want? You want candy? Huh? Are you gonna, you want your little treaty candies? Yeah? Are you gonna share with Lucy and Reese? No? No, what do you mean no? Why? Well, that's not a good enough reason. How about Sharon? You have to share with them, okay? No? Well, that's not being very nice. Well, you don't care? Really? But that's not very nice. You need to learn how to share. No? Or okay? No? How about okay? Tell me okay, and then we'll all have treaties, okay? No? No? And you want them now? You want them right now? Huh? Well, come over here and talk to me. What do you want? You want treaties? Yeah, now? You want them right now. But you have to learn how to share. Yeah, never mind, no. You have to learn how to share, Riley. No. Okay, well then none of yous get any.